Okay guys, so I know it's been a while since the last proper video, and that is why today we are going to be making something, well, quite new. It's the second cooking video on this channel because obviously people have been asking for more tutorials, and here's what you're going to get. I'm going to teach you how to make a simple banana smoothie today. So what you're going to need for this is 3 to 4 chopped up bananas, which I already have here, and a large teaspoon or tablespoon of honey, as you can see here, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of orange juice. Freshly squeezed is the best because it gives you the most flavour. And then obviously 200 millilitres of milk and some more ready to use because you may need some more in case the consistency gets too thick. And also some ground cinnamon for extra taste is also very good to help it taste better. So what you want to start doing is put all the chopped up bananas inside the milk, where you're going to be blending it all with the blender that I have here. And also bear in mind you may want to have something to wipe the blender with so that you don't make a mess everywhere, because that will save you time cleaning up. So I will be back with you once all the bananas are inside the bowl. Okay, now that you have all your bananas inside your milk, where you're going to be mixing it all together, you need to put your honey in, which I have here. I mean, it is best to use runny honey, but I didn't have any, so I'm just using this instead. I'm going to pop all this in, and then after this, what you want to do is put all the other ingredients in. So here we have some orange and some cinnamon, which I'm going to be putting in. Also, if you want to, you can add dark chocolate, which I will also be putting in. So I'm going to use sprinkles because it will be easier to mix it in. I now have my chocolate chips inside with the mix, and also what I will be using is a little bit of vanilla extract. You may want to measure it out in case you accidentally put too much in, but that will also help to make the flavour a little bit more diverse. Really, you can put whatever you want in it, but I'm just saying what I like most. And then your orange juice and your cinnamon. About a teaspoon will be enough. There we are. Now what you want to do is mix it all. So here I have my blender, and I'm going to put it at full power so that way it's easier to mix it and it won't take as long. So here we go. Okay, I have mixed it for about 40 seconds. You need to make sure that everything's properly mixed in, otherwise it won't taste as nice and well, it just won't be as good. So I will now pour it into a glass and have it ready. If yours has turned out too lean or watery, then you can just put some yogurt in, like natural or Greek, to balance it out and get it to the right consistency. But for now, thanks for watching, and I will go and enjoy my smoothie.